Hey there, job seekers. Are you tired of reading online resume advices that are often subjective? What works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So, today we are exploring an awesome article by Top Resume, a professional resume writing website that have analyzed more than 1,000 resume to determine what works and what doesn't in current job market. In my opinion, these findings are pure gold, confirming that they are giving us proven principle to create that winning resume, whether if you are creating a resume for your first job or improving upon your existing resume that you have for years. And in this age of AI, we are not stopping there. So I'm going to show you how to supercharge your resume with the help of AI so that you can get notified by recruiters and land into more job offers. So stay tuned and let's crush this job hunt together. Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. Over 80% of you lovely viewers are not watching my entire video. I get it, life is busy and no one has time to watch the entire video. So for those of you who cannot watch the entire video, I got your back. I thought to create a quick summary in the start of the video so that you can watch the summary if you cannot watch the whole video. Also, don't forget that I have added chapters in the video so that it's easier for you to navigate. And hey, do you know that 70% of you are not subscribed to my channel yet? So if you are enjoying the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button because it motivates me to keep creating amazing content every week. Alright, enough of chit chat. Let's get started. So here are the top 5 key learnings from the study. Number 1. Resumes with a LinkedIn profile see higher interview rates, but only 48% of resumes have LinkedIn profile. Second is applicants included only 51% of crucial keywords and skills, significantly undervaluing soft skills in the resumes. Number 3. Measurable metrics are really important for resume, but only 26% of resume included 5 or more metrics. Number 4. An optimal resume structure is really crucial for better visibility. The ideal resume length falls between 475 to 600 words, yet 77% of resumes don't fall within this range. And last one is that avoid using the same resume for multiple job applications. Instead, customize it for each position, highlighting relevant skills and experiences as per the job description. Now that we know the key takeaways from the study, what does this mean for you? Let's get started with the first one. Include a LinkedIn profile in your resume. Creating an everlasting impression on your employer is very important, and a consistent personal brand across cover letters, resumes, and online platforms such as LinkedIn is a key. So take some time out to refine your personal brand and showcase your best self because more than 70% of the recruiter hire through LinkedIn, and also as per Statista, job seekers that have a LinkedIn profile in their resume have 71% more chances to land in an interview than someone who doesn't. So now you know how important it is to have a good LinkedIn profile. Also, I found out this amazing stats from Statista that blew my mind away, which shows that 15.8% people in entry-level jobs have higher chances of receiving a callback from employers, 13.4% for mid-level, and 11.2% for managerial level. And if you want to know how to boost your LinkedIn profile, then I have already made a video on that and have added the link in the description below so you can go check out after you are done watching this video. Number 2 is including the right keywords and skills while writing the CV. Well, online application may not be everyone's favorite, but application tracking systems are here to stay. These systems scan for specific keywords to filter out what they call as low potential candidate. So now you know the power of keywords. So it's really important for us to get the right keyword in our resume to get past the ATS, what we call is application tracking system. This study shows that an average job description has almost 43 keywords in them, and most of the applicants can only match 51% of the keywords out of that. That's just around 20. So we'll have to up our game and make sure that we are writing the right keywords in our CV when applying for a job. And in order for us to do that, I found out this really amazing free AI website which is called World Cloud Generator. It is very simple to use. All we have to do is go onto a job board like LinkedIn and copy the job description of the job that we are applying for. Come back onto this website and paste the job description. Click on Generate Cloud and voila, this will give you all the relevant keywords. All we have to do is copy these keywords and add them into a resume. Let me tell you, you can also write your professional summary with the help of ChatGPT by using these keywords. It's very simple. All you have to do is go onto ChatGPT and paste your resume. After you're done pasting your resume, write a prompt saying to write a professional summary including the keywords, and ChatGPT will spit out the professional summary for you. All you have to do is copy that summary and include that in your resume. Third one is to include measurable results while writing a CV. It is at most important to list out all the tangible outcomes that you have achieved in your past role. Trust me, by doing this, you are not only going to stand out, but you will also demonstrate the impact that you can make in your potential employer's organization. And if I have to prove my point, then let me show you a study by Statista which shows that around 26% of resumes included 5 or more measurable metrics, while around 36%, that is more than one third, didn't even have a single quantifiable result. Now you'll ask me why company loves metrics. Well, because it's clear and quantifiable. Picture this: if you are an employer and in front of you if you have 10 CVs, all of them claiming the responsibilities of executing a social media campaign, then who do you think is the right candidate for the job? It's really hard to decide, right? But if one candidate mentions 30% year on year sales revenue increase, that's where your CV stands out. Number four is choosing the right resume structure. It not only helps the application tracking system to scan your resume, but also helps the recruiter in identifying if you are the right candidate for the job or not. Choose a format based on your experience and the industry, for example, chronological, functional, or a combo. A chronological structure is a top down level approach, starting from the latest work experience and working backwards. It's usually preferred for experienced hire who have years of experience. On the other hand, a functional structure focuses more on the skills rather than work experience, and it is suitable for recent graduates and career switchers. Try keeping your resumes to 1 to 2 pages using the relevant information for the job. Use bullet points and clear headings for easy readability. Check out the link in the description for free industry specific resume templates to download and edit. Enjoying this video? Smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. The last one is tailor your resume based on the job that you are applying for. I've seen a lot of university students and recent graduates committing this common mistake of applying for various jobs with the same resume. Truth be told, I did the same mistake when I was doing job hunting, but like you guys, I watched some YouTube videos, did some internet research, and discovered that resumes should be customized based on the job that you're applying for. So, avoid this pitfall by tailoring your resume to highlight the most relevant skills and experience for each job description. Use word cloud generator to generate relevant keywords and emphasize on transferable skills for a specific job that you're applying for. Remember, taking the time to adjust your resume for each job that you're applying for can significantly improve your chances of landing that dream job. Keep refining your resume, and remember, a little extra effort can go a long way in the competitive job market. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you find the video informative. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button. It took me a lot of effort to make this video, and I come up with all such amazing content every week. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And with that being said, bye for now.